Finally friends, Shiba is about to make a move, my friends. So in this video, my friends, I'm talking about the latest update of the Shiba and from the latest update that's clear that Shiba is about to make a move, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, before discuss more about the Shiba make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Absolutely, if you really want to make a profit with the cryptocurrencies market, so for this you have to subscribe our channel because ABS Tech channel will give you latest update about cryptocurrencies market. Now my friend, this time the situation of the Shiba is going positive, but they takes time to make you a rich, my friends. They takes time. Just give a time to Shiba my friends. Just wait and be patient, my friends. You can see here that from the price chart that's clear that in the beginning of a day, I'm just talking about the last one day, I'm talking about the today and the previous 24 hours price update of the Shiba my friends. In the beginning of a day, the price of the Shiba is badly dumps, but with some time interval, you can see here, my friends, still now only I think in the last some time you can see here it's going to start a quick jump. You can see here now my prediction is going positive about the Shiba and I'm sure about the Shiba that Shiba is about to make a move, and I believe personally that they have to take a huge pump. You can see here from the morning to night the Shiba price is still continuously dumps and goes in a straight line. You can see here, my friends, goes in the straight line. But now in the last 60 minutes, last 1 hour, the Shiba taken huge explosion, my friends. And I'm sure about this jump of the Shiba my friends. And you can see negative 2.11% the price fast down, but this change will become positive with the passage of time. In I think after 2 hours, after 1 hour, possibilities that the price change will become positive, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.